Friends, have you ever wondered what sound actually looks like? Most of us hear the world around us every day, but we never get to see it. The technology that makes noise visible has existed for years, but it always cost thousands of dollars and required professional training. Recently, I started testing the FOTRIC TD2 Geek, and it made sound feel a lot more real and interactive. My name is Daniel, and today I'll show you how this pocket-sized gadget works. You'll discover how it opens up an entirely new, fun way to explore the world. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive into it. Mates, if you've ever been curious about the hidden world of sound, this device is exactly what you need. The FOTRIC TD2 Geek is the world's first smartphone-connected acoustic imaging camera, designed for everyday exploration. It brings serious acoustic imaging into a pocket-friendly format. Traditional imagers usually sit in a totally different price tier, but this one is meant to be far more accessible for regular creators and tech fans. The TD2 Geek is not for classic inspections or maintenance work. Instead, it's designed for curiosity and discovery. You can explore circuit board hums, watch instrument resonance, or pick up subtle pet movement sounds at home, all in a geeky, playful way. And sometimes that pays off in very practical moments, like finding tiny drafts you keep feeling but cannot locate. Folks, the device connects directly to your Android phone through USB-C. It's incredibly compact, just half the size of a typical smartphone, so you can slip it in your pocket and take it anywhere. At its core, it uses a 64-channel MEMS microphone array designed to pick up both subtle and high-pitched waves. It captures audio across a wide range and maps where sound is coming from within a broad field of view. The FOTRIC Genie app then overlays those noise sources onto a live image, turning audio into visual patterns you can explore in real time. And for longer sessions, it's rated IP54 and gives you about 4 hours of battery life. Alright friends, let me show you how this device actually works in real situations. First, you connect the TD2 Geek to your Android phone using the USB-C port. Download the FOTRIC Genie app from the Play Store, and you're ready to start exploring. The moment you launch the app, you see your phone's camera view with audio visualization overlaid on top. The 64 microphones work together to pinpoint where sounds are coming from, and the app displays them as colorful heat maps on your screen. Let me start with something fun. When I point the device at my computer, I can instantly see which components make the most interesting tones. The cooling fans show up as bright spots, and you can even spot subtle electronic hums from different parts. Guys, watch this. I'll play some music through a speaker and watch how the waveforms visualize in real time. You can see the frequencies dancing across the screen, with different colors representing different intensity levels. Now let's try something more practical. I'll check around my window frames to see if there's any air leakage. The device picks up the subtle whistling sound of air passing through gaps, showing exactly where the problem areas are. You are literally watching where the draft noise is coming from on top of the live image. This could save serious money on energy bills. Mates, the app gives you multiple visualization modes. You can adjust sensitivity, change color palettes, and even record videos of what you're seeing. Everything happens in real time with minimal lag. One feature I really appreciate is the frequency range selector. You can filter out background buzz and focus on specific ranges. This becomes incredibly useful when you're trying to isolate particular frequencies in noisy environments. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. The TD2 Geek also excels at capturing ultrasonic sounds that humans can't normally hear. Point it at a bat during twilight hours, and you'll see their echolocation clicks displayed as bright pulses on your screen. Folks, the device works equally well indoors and outdoors. I've used it to find squeaky floorboards, diagnose appliance issues, and even analyze the acoustics of different rooms in my house. Friends, the FOTRIC Genie app also includes helpful features like measurement tools and data logging. You can save your findings, compare different recordings, and even share interesting discoveries with others. What stood out to me is how quickly you get the hang of it. You don't need technical training or extensive manuals. Point, tap, and start exploring. The learning curve is minimal, which means you spend more time discovering and less time configuring. The compact size makes it easy for carrying everywhere. I keep reaching for it around the house and outside, because every little sound turns into a visual. A keyboard, a pet noise, even a random gadget on your desk can give you a new pattern to explore. Folks, battery life holds up well during extended sessions. 4 hours give you plenty of time for exploration before needing to recharge. One limitation to mention is that the device currently works only with Android phones. iOS support isn't available yet, so make sure you have a compatible Android device before purchasing. So mates, let's wrap it up. The FOTRIC TD2 Geek turns sound into something you can play with, explore, and actually enjoy. It takes a technology that used to feel distant and technical and makes it feel casual and fun. This device is clearly built for curiosity, not for strict inspections or professional routines. It shines when you treat it like a creative gadget and start testing noises just for the experience. But it also has a genuinely useful side for home energy leaks. You can scan around windows and doors and see where draft noise is coming from, so you are not guessing anymore. From everyday noises to unexpected audio patterns, it keeps rewarding simple experimentation. Guys, if you enjoy tech that sparks ideas rather than solves chores, this one makes sense. What sound would you want to visualize first if you had this in your pocket? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it. Feel free to check out the links in the description below, you might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.